Hello guys, my name's Gabriel. We're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to mount your side fins as well as your main fin. Starting off, you have both of your side fins set in place. You have your tool bag. You open up your tool bag. You're going to find your Phillips head screwdriver. You use that to remove the screws on it. I've already done so, mine are already easy to remove. So we'll have these out. What we'll do is we'll put both fins in. So at the bottom of it, you'll find the slots to put the fins in. You go to the back, put the fins in there, make sure that they are securely. You're gonna have your Phillips head screwdriver. What you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you grab your fin. Once you hear that they're completely secure, that's when it's secure. Now we'll be placing the main fin. As you see, the main fin plate has a location already on there. You're going to put the fin with the slant towards the back, and you'll have 4 screws where you'll use your Allen key. So we always recommend to put the screws not completely in until you have all the screws in there. Now what you want to do is you want to screw them all in tight. Perfect. Now that you have all the screws on there correctly and secured, you're good to ride.